careful. Hey! Gina, get your toy. Get it. Here. Good morning. Mama's gonna have coffee, okay? Hey. Good morning, mga guys. Oi, why? Can I have coffee? Yes. Magkape tayo. Meron akong isang croissant na lang na natira. So, ano tayo, kopi ko para masawsaw ko pang aking croissant. Wala na sila manay. Wait. Ayla? Do you want toast, ba? Ayla, do you want toast? Okay. Yeah, I can try it. So, yun na, umalis sila ng maaga para sa larong ni Zach. Pero babalik din naman yun mamayang gabi. Ang aga nila umalis, mga wala pang 7:30. Nakaalis na ang pamilya ngayon. There you go. Kakagising lang ito, nagbihis agad, tapos nagpatali ng buhok. May pa-braid pa. Pinatira ko. Tayo. Okay, joke lang ang lahat. Kasi kinain ni Ayla yung aking croissant. Gusto niya din daw yun. At saka toast. So, mag-ano na lang tayo. Coffee from the coffee machine. Junit. Hello, how are you? Hello, is this Alo? Do you want to open it?
Good, Santa.
Do you want to open?
Yes. This is Santa.
Oh, that's perfect.
The perfect.
Perfect.
The house.
Yeah, hold it. Come on. Come on, so we can go to Kuya Zach. Come on. Finish it so we can go to Kuya Zach. Good job. Good job, Bubbers. Kabuyag besa akong inday ay. Kabuyag ba yan na akong indi oy. Kabuyag ba yun oy. Hello. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Yummy? Yummy? Uy. Say hi, guys. Yes, yummy. Hello, everyone. I'm Indy. Good job, Inday. Yes. Say hello. Say dada. Say dada. Say mama. Mama. Say mama. Mama. Hey. Mama. Do you wanna say mama? Do you wanna say mama? Mama. Hey. You wanna say mama? Yes. Say dada. Say daddy. Say daddy. Say Indy. Say my name is Indy. Good job, Indy. Wait. India. Bubbers. You finished? Here. Oh, sige. Oh, here, use is the spoon. Okay. Here you go. Yan na yung routine niya. After niya kumain, paglalaroan niya yung spoon. Yes? Ay. Ngat-ngatin mo yan, girl. You finished. Well done. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. I'm done. I'm done, everyone. Yes, I know. Come on. Hello, guys. Ang lakas ng ulan kanina. Ngayon tumila na, but still really cold. Ang lamig-lamig. Tintext ko si Manay kasi sabi ko, gusto mo ba magpasundo dyan? Kasi ang lakas ng ulan, ang hangin. And she reminded me na meron pala to. Binigyan niya ako nito kahapon, turon. Siya gumawa nito. Sabi niya, uy, lutuin mo yung turon. Masarap yan ngayon. Lagyan ko daw ng sugar. So what I did was, naglagay na ako ng oil dyan, tapos nilagyan ko ng sugar. I'm not sure if I'm doing this right, guys. Kasi yung turon na niluluto ko, hindi ko nilalagyan ng sugar kasi. Sabi niya, ma'am, lagyan daw ng sugar. Masarap daw pag may sugar. Ayan. Lutuin ko na ba ito lahat? Lutuin ko na lang lahat para bigay ko kay Dan. Nandun si Dan sa taas eh. Pero ano, mamaya lalabas daw siya. Ang sarap magsabaw ngayon. Magsasabaw tayo mamaya. Ito na yung lunch ko. Tapos sabi niya, ano daw, condense pa daw. Siguro ano lang ako ng condensed milk. Mag-drizzle. But yeah, I don't know if this is gonna work because, again, hindi ako marunong na to. Naglagay na ako ng sugar with the oil kanina. Tapos kakapit naman yun, di ba? I don't know. We'll see, guys. If it doesn't kapit, that's fine. Oh, there's milk here. That's your milk earlier. Drink that. And let me know if you need more. Did you finish your lunch? Good job. You're welcome, baby. And that's the turon. Kumapit naman yung mga sugar. Yum! Kakaluto lang talaga nito, so sobrang init pa nito, guys. And meron din akong pinapatulog na bata. Naririnig niyo? Ayun na, hindi ko na siya makita. Wala na siya. Nasa baba na yun siya. Hindi naman siya umiiyak, so she's working on it. Ayun na, nakikita ko na yung paa. Gumagalaw-galaw. Oh my gosh, I want this. Ayun, may mga hibla ng sugar. Nilagay ko lang yung sugar sa oil. Tapos nung uminit na siguro yung oil, uminit na din yung sugar. Tapos nilagay ko yung turon. And kumapit naman siya. Hindi ko nilalagyan ng sugar yung mga turon ko kasi I don't feel the need to. Sobrang natatamisan ako sa may sugar. But sabi kasi naman nilagay ng sugar. Tapos maglagay pa doon ng condensed milk. Ayoko na maglagay ng condensed milk. Parang ang tamis-tamis na ito. Balikan ko lang yung inday ko ha. Patulugin ko. Tapos pagbalik natin, pwede na to kainin. Hindi na to sobrang init. Let's eat. Si Dan nagmamadaling umalis. Mamaya na niya ito makakain. Sana hindi tumigas yung sugar. Umalis na siya. Ang init pa din. Tulog na yung ate Indy eh. Oh my gosh, it's hot. Yes? Ay, picturean ko. Send ko kay Manay. Yes. Ay, hala. Ay, o diba sa kanya ko na-send yung shopping list?
Mommy, I'm cleaning up the house for the others. Mom, honey, I think when I come here, I'm cleaning up.
Oh, good job, Papa. Yeah, clean up.
Why eating, Mama?
Send ko sa kanya yung shopping list.
Mommy, this was under the couch.
Oh, thank you.
For a long time.
For a long time?
Yeah, for 40 hours.
40 hours. Oh my gosh. That has been under the couch for a long time. 40 hours, guys. Isla's cleaning up. Thank you, Isla. Put it in the bin. Thank you. She said she's cleaning up para pagdating daw ni Manay at ni Holly, malinis daw yung bahay. House is not too bad. It's nice and clean. Thank you. Oh, Are you gonna help ate? Yeah? Naka-jumper na tong mga to kasi malamig kanina. Kahit naka-heater naman kami. Nilagyan sila ni daddy ng jumper. Oh, good eating you. Oh, you finished it all. Well done, strong boy. Sige, napakainin nyo na ako. Ito na yung pinaka-lunch ko today. Oh, baby. Thank you for always giving mommy hugs. Sarap. Nilagyan niya ng ano to. Malagkit. Yes?
What's the thing we like
Hmm.
put? What's the things we like put here?
What's broken? I don't know. Kakaibang turon to. Kasi may malagkit. Yum. Dan will love this. You wanna try? What happened?
So, this was done with our toys for 50 hours a day.
Who did it?
I think Anna, because I think I saw Anna in the fan cram.
And it's not empty.
No.
That's not good, is it?
Yeah, we can't eat anymore.
No.
Should we put it in the bin?
Yeah. Are you really cleaning up right now?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, like major cleaning up.
I'm under the couch.
You're checking under the couch and everywhere. What else are you gonna do, girl? Ay, meron pa pala tayong i-call.
So, all of this
Yep.
is in here.
Okay.
And is that even my nice clothes?
That's my clothes actually. And those are your clothes from Tita Manay. Tingnan mo kung gaano kadami yan.
What's my clothes?
Oh, Tita Manay got you some as well. I think you got, yeah, this one. See, dinosaur. Size 6. Magagamit mo to in... I know.
And Bluey.
Maybe this was Kuya Zach.
Is this mine?
That's yours. Yeah, I need to go through it.
Bluey.
I need to go through it, Baba. Kakada-clutter lang natin.
Oh,
So, I need to go through everything.
oh,
Meron pala to. Oh, habang nandito tayo, pakita ko sa inyo, guys. Ito yung nabili natin kahapon. Alright, so kahapon nagpunta tayo ng Burnside. Meron tayong 2 coats. My goodness. Hindi ko naman in-expect, guys, na may bibilhin ako. Pero, tinry ko to. And ang ganda niya. Marami na akong coats actually. Kaya lang, naghahanap ako ng long na coat. Meron akong isa doon. Kaya lang, ang bigat niya. Ito ang ganda nito. I got it from the women's section. Hindi siya naka-sale. Pero, okay lang naman. Deserve natin. Sumweldo ako, ha. Ay, maganda siya. I got it in small. Kahapon kasi yung suot ko, manipis lang. And maganda siya. So, kahit jumper yung suot mo, medyo makapal na jumper, kasya pa din. Oh. I like it. Hindi ito long na coat, ha. Pero, long siya sa akin kasi ang liit ko. So, it goes like almost to my ankle. I got it in this color. Ang baba ng bulsa. Kasi nga, dapat... Hala! Oh my gosh, she's awake. My gosh. Good? It's good now. It's got sticky rice inside. So, sticky rice and banana. And I think there's cheese I can taste as well. Yeah. Nag-grocery pala po. Yun nga, di ba? Yung wrong side ako. So, I sent the grocery list to Manay. Which is like, what do you want me to do with it? You want me to buy this? Pabili lang ako mga gulay. Where did you go?
Foodland.
Foodland. So, nagpabili ako 2 cucumber kasi baka mag-nachos tayo.
Is it cream cheese you want?
Yes. The other one, but that's fine. The orange one. Cream cheese spread. Zucchini. Gusto kong mag-ano mamaya. Mag-sabaw. He did! Okay, that's enough Yakult for today. Dalawang tomatoes. And then, nagpabili akong spinach kasi gusto kong magmunggo sana. And then, pork mince para sa ating sabaw mamaya. Ang lalaki ng apple. Mga apple, guys. Oh, I got coffee. Bakit parang feeling ko kulang to? We got a pack of coffee, remember?
Really?
The one I got from Coles.
Okay.
Yeah. How much is this one? Was it?
Half price.
Yeah, the one I got from Coles was half price too. So hopefully that one's good as well. So iba-iba na yung mga coffee brand na itatry natin. Bakit parang feeling ko kulang to? Oh, how about minced beef?
Oh, you want minced beef?
I got minced beef and minced pork on the list. Yeah, minced pork and minced, that's okay. I'll just use some of this. Ilang ano ba to? Yeah, and bread and croissant. Okay. So you got bread. Did you? That's okay. Yeah. Eggs? Did you get eggs?
Yeah.
Okay. Pinut-away na niya pala yung iba. Iba, na-interrupt yung aking hold. Nagising si Indy. Ipakatulog niya lang. So pinatulog ko ulit. Pagpatuloy nga natin to para matapos na to. Ang ganda nito, guys. Sa mga interesado, it's the... Hala, hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan niya. Ba't hindi siya mabigat? Magaan lang siya. Yeah, hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan niya, guys. Walang nakalagay sa tag. But it looks like this. And very bagsak lang nung material niya. Ang ganda nito. Gusto ko to. Ayan. Mahaba siya. And then yung isa, ito alam ko magagamit ko to. Lagi. Yung isa, hindi ko sure. Pero binili ko siya, guys. Kasi may nakita ako nung nag-hot chocolate kami nung Sabado. Meron ako nakitang babae. Ang ganda ng outfit niya. Sabi ko, ay, ang ganda naman ang pa-leather niya na coat. Tapos long coat din. So this one I got from Portman's. So ito naka-sale siya. Naka 40% off lahat ng coats nila kahapon. Ito yung pinakaunang tinry ko nung nandun ako. Kasi nakita ko siya nung dumaan kami. Tapos naalala ko nga yung babae na ganito yung suot-suot. Kasi yung maganda sa kanya, it is like burgundy but not in-your-face burgundy. It's a very subtle burgundy na kung madilim, hindi mo masyadong alam na, ay, hindi pala siya black, hindi pala siya brown. It's kind of like, really, yun nga, very subtle na, hindi siya burgundy yung tawag. It's cherry wood yung kulay niya. And it was originally $230. Nakuha ko na lang to ng 100 plus kasi nga nakasale siya ng 40% off. So, ganito yung itsura niya. Just imagine naka-all black ako sa loob. And then, ito. So, iba yung style niya dun sa isa. It's a trench coat naman. So, mahaba siya sa akin. Like, mahaba talaga siya. And just imagine this with boots na pointed. Ay! Heels. Ayan, mas kita nyo yung kulay niya. After ko siya tinry, iniwan ko pa siya, guys. Kasi sabi ko, ay, hindi ko siya kailangan. And then, bumalik ako. Kasi nga, bumabalik sa isip ko yung babae na ang ganda ako sa outfit niya talaga. Tapos, sobrang simpulan lang. Tapos, hindi kasi din siya mabigat. It's not real leather. Kasyang-kasya siya sa akin. Yeah, meron sila iba-ibang kulay. May black sila. Meron din silang ibang material na ganito din yung klase. And yung pangalan niya is Fifth Avenue Trench. Yun yung pangalan niya. Tapos, yun nga yung kulay is cherry wood. Yung height ko is 4'11" ha. Tapos ganun yung length niya sa akin. So kung naghahanap kayo, ang ganda din ng fit niya. Napakita ko ba sa inyo yung likod? Ang ganda. Sabi ni Manay, ang ganda ng likod. Tapos sabi niya, sumweldo naman tayo. Totoo din naman. So disweldo tayo. So deserve natin yung mga ganyan. Kakasweldo lang natin. Kaloka. Natawa ako nung sabi niya, sumweldo naman tayo. Totoo naman. Alright, mag-edit lang ako. Kakahol lang na mga pinamili. Mag-edit tayo, be. To make us feel a bit better.
Mommy? So what are you doing?
Dinner.
Oh, it's like dinner.
Let's prepare dinner, guys. Hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan nitong dish na to, but yung sinabawang miswa. Yan pala. Yeah, miswa. So, lagyan ko lang siya ng minced pork, tapos lagyan ko din siya siomai. Gusto to ni Dan eh. Wala kasi siyang low-calorie meal ngayon, kasi bukas pa yung delivery. So, ito yung ipapakain natin sa kanya. Para sa lahat na to. I-prepare ko lang yung mga gulay-gulay, tapos lutuin na natin. Nilabas ko din, meron pa palang lumpia. So, lutuin ko to. 5 lang naman. Nilabas ko 2 siomai. Masyado bang marami? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Hindi siguro lahat. Parang sobrang dami naman. 12 siguro, no? Alright. So, ano lang? Garlic. Tapos, onion, zucchini. And then yung miswa. Ay, ang sarap nito. Umiinit na actually, but sobrang mahangin pa din. Kanina may package na dumating. Pag open ko, sobrang hangin sa labas. Alo, can you pick up in this toy and give it to her, please? Thank you, Alo. It's on the floor. Half lang nito yung gagamitin ko, guys. Ang dami nito. Or baka 1/4 nga lang.
Is she tired or?
Yeah, she's getting tired.
Oh, there you go.
Lagay tayo oil. Guys, nandiyan na yung garlic, onion. Nilagay ko na din yung pork. Tapos, tinimplahan ko ng vegeta and pepper. Ang bango-bango na niya. Maya-maya ilalagay ko yung tubig. Tapos, isunod ko na yung Chinese vermicelli or miswa. And then, yung ano din natin, siomai. Ilalagay na din natin maya-maya lang. Tapos, ito yung more pampalasa natin mamaya. Chicken powder. Water. More water. Ang laki nitong pot ko. Ilipat ko kaya sa maliit. Parang sobrang laki niya. Tapos yung next kasi ito na. Parang masyado namang maliit. Yan na lang. Damihan ko na lang. So, 3 500 ml na tubig yun. Hintayin ko lang na kumulo yan. Lagay ko na yung zucchini, guys. Yung isang maliit lang yun na zucchini. Ang dami na. Kumukulo na siya eh. And then, lagay ko na din lahat ng siomai natin. Ay, masarap to, guys. Ayan. Ay, sarap. Hintayin lang natin na maluto ang siomai at ang zucchini. Tapos timplahan. And that's all done. Ay, yung miswa pa pala. Maya-maya. Pag malapit na maluto yung siomai, lagay natin yung miswa. Alright, lagay na natin miswa. Luto na, guys. Ang aga pa. Kaka-alas 5 pa lang. Baluto na. Pakain na natin to kay Dan. Kasi masarap to habang mainit pa. Ang sarap. How's dinner, Alo? Good? You like it, Daddy?
Yes, good.
Yeah. There's more there. Good job, Alo. Yummy. Oh, what? You two is standing? What? This is all finished now. This
What is that, Mom?
ketchup, but it's spicy though.
You have sweet and sour, please.
Sweet and sour?
Yep. Yeah.
Then I have that.
You want one?
Yeah. I have one too. I have one too, Daddy.
Good evening.
You know what else is good for cold weather? Arroz caldo. Arroz caldo. Chicken arroz caldo. Kaya mo lang.
I only have one. You have one.
Sir.
I had a
Arroz caldo. You want some arroz caldo?
yeah.
Yeah.
Daddy, can I have milk? With my food?
Ayla, finish your food
Sit
first.
down.
King of the world. I'm the king of the world.
You're the king of the world. Alright, keep eating. Ang dali lang nito. Kanina pa ito luto.
Have water. No milk.
Ang sarap. So, hindi na siya sobrang init. Ay! Sinamanay pala, may dinner sila sa kasama yung friend nila. So, mamaya pa yung darating.
Oh, will be.
Pero dinamihan ko ito eh. So, kapag gusto niya ng sabaw pag uwi niya, meron.
Daddy want this.
Okay.
Shomai is good as well.
You don't want it?
Here's
The shomai.
one.
The dumpling.
It looks like Shauna, like Shauna. Shauna. Oh my God, hands are dirty.
That's alright.
No, I have to wash them.
Put it on the other side. Put it on the other side. Hello guys, nandito na pala sila. Kanina pa yan. Magha-chocolate tayo. Nagpapakulo ako ng gatas. Iko-combine ko yung Lindt at saka yung Milo this time. Kasi konti na lang tong Lindt natin.